Hello sir, my name is Shitra More. I am here to present the topic of Java, which is a method of object, and today's date is 15 June. The object class is the parents of all the classes in Java by default. In other words, it is a topmost class of Java. The object class is a beneficial if you want to refer any object whose type you don't know. The parent class refers variable can reference the child class object as a upcasting. There is a get object method that returns an object, but it can be of any type of like employee, student, etc. We can use object class reference to refer that object. The object class is defined as the object name equals to get object method. Uh, the object class provides some common behavior to all the object, such as object can be compare, object can be colon, object can be notice, etc. The method of object is the public final class get method. It returns the class object of the class object of this object. The class can further be used to get the method data of the class. Next is the public int hash code method, returns the hash code number of the object. Next is the public boolean equals object method. Is this method used to compare the given object to this object. Next is the protected object colon throws colon not supported exception method. This method creates and returns the exact copy of this object. Next is the public string to string method, returns the string representation of this object. Next is the notify method. This method used to wake up single thread waiting on the object monitoring. Next is the notify all method. This method used to wake up all the threads waiting on the object monitor. Next method is the public final void wait long timeout throws interpreted exception method. This method is used to current thread to wait for the specific milliseconds until another thread notifies or notify all methods. Next is the public final void wait long timeout end throws interpreted exception method. This method is used to current thread to wait for the specific milliseconds and the nanoseconds until another thread notifies to notify or notify method or not notify all methods. The next is the final void wait throws method. Those method causes the current thread to wait until another thread notifies invoked notify or notify all methods. The next is the protected void finalize throwable method. It's invoked by the garbage collector before object is being garbage collection. This is the methods of object, and the object class is the parent class of all the classes in Java by default. In other words, it is the topmost class of object. An entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. For example, chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. It can be physically or logically. The example of an intelligible object in the banking system. Object has a three characteristics. First is state, behavior, and identity. State represents the data data or values of an object. Next is the behavior. Behavior represents the behavior of an object such as a deposit, withdraw, etc. And next is the identity. An object identity is typically uh, implemented via a unique ID. The values of the ID is not visible to the external user. It is used and internal by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. For example, the pen is an object. Its name is a Renault. The color is white. Is known as its state. It is used to write. So writing is the behavior. And a class is a template of blueprint from the which objects are created. So an object is an instant of the class. The object definition is an object is a real world entity. An object is a runtime entity. The object is an entity which has state and behavior. The object is an